One of the most important things about having a YouTube channel is interacting with your comments and building that community. And you're not always going to be right next to your computer. So I'm going to show you a great application you can get that's free. And you can interact with your channel and reply to comments, look at your analytics, look at videos individually, look at all your videos, do a number of things. You see here, there's all my videos listed under videos. Here's everything you can do. You have your dashboard, comments, analytics, and YouTube channel, and you can even record video from in here and upload it directly to your YouTube channel if that be something you want. Or maybe you're using your iPhone app camera to get started, which isn't a bad idea. Like we talked earlier, that's a great camera to get started with. But anyway, the important thing about this, guys, is being able to reply. And all you have to do is just tap the comments you want to reply to, and you'll get a little pop-up there that says respond. Then you just hit post in the top right corner up there, and your comment is on its way. The name of the application is called Studio, and it's a YouTube application. They're the ones that put this out. So if you go in the App Store and you type in YouTube Studio, you'll get this. You see right here it is, YouTube Creator Studio, and this is their application. And like you just saw, guys, it's a remarkable application. Personally, I like it better than any one that I've tried third party. One of the things about replying to comments is it's not easy to do when you're out and about on a mobile device. Well, through this application, and there is an Android version, if you happen to be one of the few Android users, I'm only kidding, guys. Replying to comments, build that community, always help anybody you can, and that way they're going to be more likely to share your content and come back and watch more of your content and tell others about your content.